Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Do you want to take your booking appointment process to the next level? Well, Oz Plugins has got you covered. So let's not lose time and explore the plugin to its fullest. And this is the dashboard of Oz Plugins booking appointment plugin on WordPress. And to create our booking appointment schedule, first of all, we will need to add some services and employees. So let's go to this service page and add service. So first of all, we will need to add a title. In this case, let's say it is service 1. Here you can also write some description about it. Here, recurring settings. So if this event or service is going to repeat itself, then you might want to set as monthly, for example, if you have this service only for a month period. And the maximum count in this case, it's 2, let's say. And here you can also configure this pay only for the first appointment or pay for all appointments at once. So let's say we want this way. Here you will need to set a price. Let's say it's $15 or the currency that you choose. And here you can also set some deposit settings here. You can choose the deposit type, either percent or a fixed amount. So if the percent, which means that they need to pay $15 at once, but you can say, for example, fixed amount. And here you can write $5, let's say. Service time is, let's say, 15 minutes. And then if you need some buffer time, you can also add that here. So afterwards, let's go and publish it. And now let's create 2 other services as well. So we've got all of our services right here, and let's now go and add some employees. To add employees, we will need to go to employees and add employees. So here, let's say name 1. And here again, you can write about their experience, description about that person's specialist. When we go down here, you can also choose a specialty for them. In this case, let's say it's marketing specialist. Slot duration is, let's say, 30 minutes. Then here we need to configure the schedule for each of our employees. So let's add a new line and let's say this name 1 works only during the working days. And we're clicking here also to add the time, so it's from 9 to, let's say, 6. And then we are adding this. Then we are going to add some breaks here again for the days that they work. And let's say 2 p.m. And the days off, our days off, this is an optional one, but you can choose, for example, August 11 as their days off, and then add it here. And then the services that they provide. So here you can say all services or include services below, and you can add, for example, only this service 1. And the service free, let's say. And now we are going and publishing it. So let's add 2 other employees as well. So now we've got all our employees here, and now let's go to our main settings to configure some other stuff there. To go to the booking settings, you will need to click on here, booking settings, and you will redirect it to here. We've got many sections here. Now we will go over each of them. So first one is main settings, and here you can configure who wants to manage your calendar. So in this case, it's author. You can also choose sequence of steps if you've got many employees and services. So you can just like add and drop them here. Then you can here see how you can view your booking an appointment. Either you can use a shortcode or PHP code and copy and paste them to page or a template respectively. Here you can choose your currency that you want and where you want it to display. And here you can also choose the color palette for your booking to make it like suit your website. Then go to this appointment settings, and you can enable this multi-select for services option because you've got multi services here. Then you can choose the time slot duration here. In this case, it's 16 minutes. Here you can choose the maximum day, or in this case, it's month for calendar to display on front. So if you have an event that you want to display like beforehand, like for example 3 or 4 months before, then you can configure them here. 2 and 3 months are okay for regular events and bookings. Here you can also choose the minimum time for booking and canceling them. 1 day and 12 hour I think is okay. You can also choose appointment statuses. Here we've got approved, on hold, and cancelled, and approved. Here you can see that if it is approved, then it will block the selected employee time slot. In this case, you will not just lose any customers, for example. And if you want to redirect your booking makers to another page, then you can copy and paste that URL here, and it will just redirect them. Here we can also make some changes to our form fields. In this case, we've got email and phone number. I would really recommend make these fields both required and yes, so that you can contact them if they are late, for example, so that you just do not lose time. And you can also have a final message here. Then if we go to email marketing section, another very important section here, so that you can send some reminders or thank you email letters, etc. So here you will just need to write the email that you want the copy to go to as well. From name, in this case it's Oz Plugins, and from email it will just automatically add this no reply to your email here. Then here you can see the email templates here and the way you can configure them easily. For example, here you can write welcome back or something like this, and here you can easily configure all of this. You can configure the order details, order number, client data, everything that you want here. You've got also all the formatting options right here. And you can also email template on booking, email template reminder. You will just need to enable this, and also how many hours or minutes before you want this reminder to be sent. 30 minutes I guess is okay, or just 1 hour. And after this we go to this payment options, and here you can see the various options that we've got here. Here we've got the discounts, so you can add some coupon codes here. So let's say we are paying with PayPal, and then we go to this SMS. You can also enable this, so again as a form of reminder. And now let's go to our main settings and copy this shortcode and go to our page and see how it works there. So here we are creating a new page. Here let's name it booking appointment. And here you will need to pass the shortcode that we've got, and then let's click on preview and see how it looks like. So here you will need to choose an employee. So let's say it's 2. So we've got only one service here. I'm choosing it, and then next, and the days available. So I will choose this one. again, the time slot. And here you will need to write your name, email address, because we made them required. Also, you can choose this remind with SMS option, and the payment option we've got only PayPal, and we're choosing this. And afterwards you will just need to click on book and your appointment is ready. That's a wrap for Oz plugins today, and if you've still got any questions concerning the plugin, don't forget to drop them in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to not miss out on any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, bye!